Alright, Forex market, second analysis of the day, guys. We got the New Zealand versus the US dollar, and we're just ready to pull the trigger. Exciting day for us today. We're coming up with two new positions, fresh, and a lot of encouragement as far as this potential move goes. We think price action just reached a strong bottom, right? We got that 68.81 just been tagged today. It's not even yesterday, it's today. It started off on the back foot, slightly touched base and quickly turned around. Now what it did while it was spiking that 68.81 was taking the previous low just as well on the same move. It both spiked that level and took the previous low, got strong rejection, and we think it's now going to turn back up and head straight towards 70.53, right? So we already placed in our order window here, we already placed our take profit at 70.53. We're going to use stop loss level at 68.20, and let's do it. $10,000. That's how we're going to start here with. We do have a bit of a problem not too far away. It's 69.62. This is a big, this is a big resistance level that might break that positive momentum that we are seeing right now. So we have to be careful, and we have to make sure price action can handle this obstacle, because once it starts to cross over, we're going to try to build up the position a lot bigger. Right, a lot bigger. Now here's the formation we're working here with, if you were asking, right? Ever since June, middle of June, price had started to trade sideways, right? It was coming off a high, and then this back and forth exchange started to appear. Now we believe that this is the sophisticated part of the analysis here. We do see a lot of back and forth, right, inside that range. And that's nice, but as far as counting goes, we think these are the legs. We think this all the way down is one leg, right? So we had the first one right up here, and then the second one all the way to the bottom. Nice touchdown, by the way, on that lowest low, 68.81, lowest key level, of course. Then price action turned around. By the way, when it was building that second leg, right? Just noticed it took place in 5 waves, right? Which is a classic, classic wavelength. In this case, a classic move. And it did that again on the way up, right? Leg number 3. We had the first, second, third, fourth, boom, fifth. Another 5 wave on the way up. That's how we break down these separate legs, right? Measure them and, and assign numbers to them. So we think all the way up, that was leg number 3, and then a quick 1, 2, 3 on the way down, which is leg number 4. So what we're trying to play out here is the next leg, which is going to be leg number 5, supposed to take us back to the upper area, the upper section in this range, right? 70.53, sorry. That's going to be the target. We're going to be using that level as our final destination. And that's it. I guess we'll take it from here. We're going to be back next time to follow up on the situation. There you go, guys. Forex market. It's been a pleasure. We're going to continue off to the cryptocurrency market. So stay tuned.